So the EVR car, it's quite an interesting story. It comes about from a few things. There's a serious aspect to it, and there was an aspect to it of just trying to, I guess, show off Varley's a bit. On the serious aspect, we actually it was part of this, I guess, looking ahead into the future and believing that, I guess, electric technology is going to come back in a much bigger way, and trying to understand the technology and be ahead of it. There was no one in Australia sort of looking at that space outside the universities. So we actually picked up this electric motor from university research, and we started talking more with them, interacting more, so we can build up our knowledge where we were going to be seen as, I guess, a local expert within the Australian market. The car itself was an application of applying some of that technology, but we really did it to celebrate our 125-year anniversary. We decided there were two things that occurred then. We wrote a history on the company and looked back over the years of a rich history with many old photos to show what's happened in the 125 years. I didn't want us to be seen as an old company, and that was the end of us. I wanted to also show that we had a future that was heading down the path of, higher technology and staying ahead of what was happening in the game. So the car idea came about as a good way of getting that message out there, and it was surprisingly very effective and picked up a lot by media. When we did the car was never about Varley's trying to enter that market or be a car manufacturer at all. It was about trying to learn and understand the technology. So to try and get a better understanding of it, we've actually now we have 2 electric superbikes that we are racing. And part of that is there's nothing quite like the racing environment to push technology and push our learning within it. And I guess we're learning a lot, we're gathering a lot. The challenge now is how we're going to take that and get commercial application and return on that investment.